One of the great mysteries in my life used to be how to get a battery for my cordless telephone. I used to spend hours online when I had an old phone trying to find a battery that would actually work on that phone. But today it's very easy. And cordless phones are very easy. The battery's on the back of the phone. The back pops off. It's actually charged by sitting in the cradle, making a connection, and it gets charged. The battery starts wearing out, it beeps, it only lasts 10 minutes worth of phone calls, and you know you have to make that change. Get the manufacturer, get the battery number, go to your office product store, and there is a myriad of batteries. Some generic, some actually just for your phone, pick up the battery, stick it in the phone, normally recharge it for probably 12 hours to get the power ramped up there, and then you've got your battery for your cordless phone. Thanks. Enjoy. Kathy Papst-Upshaw, Telephone Effectiveness.